This is a floating shelf project. Here's the first shelf installed and drying. And what I did, I have about 13 inches between shelves, and I just put a 3/4 inch cleat. Since the walls aren't perfectly square and flat, I cut the shelf to the widest width, which in this case happens to be the front. So just about exactly 18 inches. In the back, it's maybe an 1/8 inch narrower. Then I used a belt sander to sand the edges. I'd sand a little, test fit, sand a little, test fit, each shelf one at a time, so that each shelf would be the exact right width. I used a piece of 1/2 inch plywood for the top and 1/4 inch plywood for the bottom. Here's an example here. 1/2 inch plywood for the top, 1/4 inch plywood for the bottom. For the front, I just got a piece of 2x2 select pine. So it's the really nice, no knot, but it's just pine. A 1/2 inch dado for the top and 1/4 inch for the bottom. You can see that. With 1/2 inch on the top, 1/4 inch on the bottom. So to assemble the shelves, I'll do shelf number 2 now. Just have some wood glue. I'll just slide this up into place. It's a nice snug fit. And for the top piece, just put a bead of glue. The top piece, set this in place. Okay, so there's the top and bottom piece of my shelf. Here's my front piece, already with some glue on it. This is a tight fit. That should just slide in. I'll clamp it and put just a couple nails on the bottom because they won't be seen. But with that glue, I'm just going to clamp the top and no nails on the top. I think it will stay together just fine. And here is the finished product.